Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Here is going to be a fan comparison with the Morrisons Home 16-inch oscillating white pedestal fan versus this Igenix 30-inch oscillating white tower fan. I think it's from 2014, the Igenix tower fan, I'm not really sure. So yeah, so here's the front of them. Here's the side view of them. Oops. There's the back. Informations now then. So this, I'm not sure if product code is the model or not, but I may as well read it. 2167058, 220/240 volts, 50 Hz, made in China with the Morrisons logo, 40 watts. Hold on, I've just noticed something, it's not actually centered. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, the Igenix is model DF0035 with 220/240 volts, 50 Hz, made in China with the Igenix logo, 45 watts. Okay, let's start this on low without oscillation. Surprisingly, the Igenix is stronger. Medium now then. Medium near the same. High. On high they're the same again. Low of oscillation. Medium with oscillation. High oscillation now. string arms. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys, and out.